In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and import rules into your Microsoft Outlook to streamline your email management and enhance your productivity. Whether you're an Outlook veteran looking to refresh your skills or someone entirely new to managing email rules, this guide is designed to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. This is the essential first step, providing the platform on which we can build a more organized email workflow. As you likely know, Outlook is a powerful tool, but setting up custom rules can really drive its effectiveness home, especially if you receive a significant volume of emails each day. Once you're in Outlook, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find a tab labeled File. Click on this tab. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens, allowing you to tweak the settings and create a customized email experience. File is your gateway to the rules and alerts we'll be focusing on today. Next, within the File tab, look for and select Rules and Alerts. Clicking this will open a new window, a hub where you can oversee all the rules you've created, if any, or where you'll establish new ones. This feature is incredibly useful for those moments when you wish certain tasks could be automated, a real time saver in the bustling world of email communication. Once the Rules and Alerts window is open, search for an option labeled Options. Click on it. This step is key because it unlocks the potential for importing rules that either you've created before or sourced from another trusted individual or team. Streamlining your email workflow can be as simple as clicking this one button. After selecting Options, you'll want to choose Import Rules. This will allow you to add an existing set of criteria that can automatically sort, prioritize, or even delete emails based on your specific needs and preferences. By importing rules, you take email efficiency to a whole new level, leveraging the structure and organization that rules can bring to your inbox. And just like that, you're done. With these rules applied, you'll notice emails sorting themselves into their respective folders or being flagged according to the preferences you imported, perhaps even organizing newsletters, client emails, and internal communications, each into their own special spot. This can save you the painstaking task of manually managing every single incoming email. You'll find yourself benefiting from the clarity and efficiency provided by a smoothly functioning inbox, leaving you more time to focus on higher value tasks and projects. Remember, managing your emails is not just about being organized. It's about freeing up mental space and gaining peace of mind amidst the digital noise. Feel free to watch this video again or explore other related videos on managing Outlook and perfecting your email strategy. Thanks for joining us today and happy emailing.